Next week we have a best out of waste competition. Hope everyone will participate.
Okay, ma'am, I will participate. I will also participate. Me too. Me.
All the best, students. Mom, next week we have a best out of waste competition in school and I'm also participating. That's great. Let us look what material we have at home. Let us use these plastic caps and pizza saver stands. Idea. I want to make a restaurant. Then let's make a cake using plastic caps. What are the other materials required for this project? Today we are making best out of waste project using pizza saver stands and plastic caps. The other materials we are using are thick paper, glue, scissors, cotton and glitters. Are you all ready with your projects? Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Oh, so many pizza saver stands here. Because these are small and cute, ma'am, we have been collecting them from long time. Congratulations to the winners.